This other problem says that a particle moves from a position r1 equals to 3I plus 2j minus 4k meters to a position r2 equals to 5I plus 6j plus 9k meters under the action of a force F equals to I plus 3j plus k Newton. Find the work done. We have been given R1 and R2, which is the change in displacement, and we are also given the force in vector, of which they all have their components. But we are going to consider from what is given the expression needed to solve this problem, and we are going to pick, according to what is given, the W for work F and the displacement. So I choose this expression, W equals to F change in R, where change in R would be the difference between the R2 second vector and the first vector, R2 minus R1. Then we pick values for R2 and put in place of R2, and then the value for R1 we substitute in place of R1. So we now see that there is a negative sign in between the brackets that needs to be expanded. So this minus 1, when we use it to multiply with 3i, we will get 3 minus 3i, and the minus times plus 2i will give us minus 2j, and then minus times minus here will give us 4. So we now have plus 4k. This side here we have a positive 1, so even if we use it to multiply across, will still give us a positive value, and this will give us a new expression as R2 minus R1 equals to 5I plus 6j plus 9k minus 3I minus 2j plus 4k. Alright, so the next thing we are going to do is to collect like terms. So the terms that come with I will go, you just rearrange it, I to I, j to j, and then k to k. 5i minus 3i will give us 2i. 6j minus 2j will give us 4j. And 9k plus 4k will give us 13k. So we have this as a change in R. The F was given, so we are going to apply the formula or the expression W equals to F change in R. The F was given to be I plus 3j plus k. Look at it up here. So when we now multiply it with the change in R, we have a new expression to be W equals to F change in R. Okay, so I plus 3j plus k times 2i plus 4j plus 13k. When we try to simplify it, those ones with I will be multiplied with the ones with I, then the ones with j would be multiplied with the ones with j, and the one with k as well. So we will get this. The I here means 1i. So 1 times 2i will give us 1 times 2. I times I will be I dot I plus 3j times 4j will give us 3 times 4j dot j. Then 1k times 13k. Have 1 times 13k dot k. Remember that I dot I or j dot j and k dot k will give us 1. So the whole of that will vanish, and we now have 2 plus 12 plus 13, which is 27 joules. So with this, we have come to the end of today's class. When you multiply the 2 by 1, you get 2 here. 3 times 4, you get 12. And 1 times 13, you get 13. You add all together, you see 27 joules. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.